Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to uninstall any applications on your Windows machine. First, click on the Windows icon on the bottom left. Then you will want to start typing out add or remove programs. Then click on it to open it up. Next, scroll down until you see the application that you want to remove. In this video, I'm going to remove Let's View. When you see the application, click on it and then click on Uninstall. Here, Windows will ask for permission. That is why my screen is blank. It will ask if you are sure you want to uninstall. Click on Yes. There you have it. That application is now uninstalled. Thank you for watching. See you next time.